Today, we will show you how to open the ASUS TUF A17 FA706 and what's inside of it. As usual, you need to unscrew 11 Phillips head screws in order to get inside of this device. Keep in mind that the top left one remains attached to the panel and lifts it from the chassis. This is exactly where you want to start the prying process. Interestingly, the behemoth Ryzen 7 4800H and the GTX 1660 Ti are cooled by only 3 heat pipes. More precisely, 2 of them are cooling both the CPU and the GPU, while the third one is meant to lower only the graphics card's temperatures. It is good to see that there are 2 RAM SODIMM slots, and according to ASUS, they support up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory. However, when you look at the storage options, things get pretty. There is one 2.5-inch SATA drive slot, as well as not only one but 2 M.2 PCIe slots. Lastly, there is a 48 Wh battery in our unit. However, ASUS is selling this notebook with a 90 Wh option, as well. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.